Hello guys, today I'm doing a review of Dehancer's new product, Dehancer Desktop. Let's get right into it. So this is their first standalone photo editor. There's no Lightroom and no Photoshop required. It looks similar to Lightroom actually, and what you can do, you can sort by grading. So I just took some random photos outside, I put them here, and let's get into it. I'm marking everything, I put them into a project and it will show up here. So next step, I can mark them all, I can go into the edit page. As you see on the left, you have the presets. You have a lot of presets actually. Let's try something, just for the demonstration. And to the right, you have raw settings. You can change white balance, you can change some gain, and you also have a crop. If you want to crop it, you have the source panel here. Oh yes, you can toggle on and off here on the right side. Let's choose something else. I think it's the same actually if I change it here. Yes, so let's go back. Let's take this one. Push and pull. How much? Color boost. Okay, I'm not gonna go through everything, but you have a lot of different settings here. And if you're using DaVinci Resolve with this plugin, it looks the same. So that's very convenient. Very comfortable actually. I love the grain, film grain. Halation is my favorite too. It looks so cool, I don't know why. It's just very beautiful. Vignette. I don't know about vignette, sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. So I'm happy with this one, and as I understand, we can create a snapshot. So double click, add snapshot, and it will live here. We can also go to presets here, and I think we can create a new preset with this. So let's say retro vibe 1, I will save it and it will live here in my presets, I believe. Yes, here, retro vibe. Cool. Let's go to the next. Copy and paste. It looks crazy with the halation actually. Very cool. Let's say I want to copy this and paste it. Alright, it works. Go to the source. Crazy. And one more copy and paste. I just want to see if it's possible to do it fast, so it fits my workflow. If I just go to the side and then just click apply to film strip, then everything will be affected. But if I want to do it individually, I need to copy and paste. Copy, edit and paste. Let's export this. So from this window, it seems like I can just click export, current image or current film strip. I wanna export everything. Let's choose something simple here. Test, edits, open, TIFF or JPEG, full quality. Let's start. I think it's quite slow because now it's the full quality and it's like 7,000 pixels or something. I'm also using the MacBook Pro M1 chip, so it's not the fastest out there. I love Dehancer for the look. I love it for video editing specifically, but I think it's cool for photos as well. I'm not so used to this workflow yet. For me, this is interesting because I don't like Photoshop too much. I want to find something similar. I want it to be simple, and this feels simple, even though I haven't figured out everything yet, so it's still kind of slow for me, as you see in this demonstration. I think there is 60 or 80 plus pre-made filters, which is really cool. Okay, let's go in here. We check how it looks. very much retro vibe. I like this photo actually. So if you like this retro vibe, I think this program can be a good solution. I'm still not sure if I can crop everything, like the whole strip. I think not. As I understand right now, it's only a subscription model. Maybe they will release lifetime purchase or something. I would prefer that. This is just a try. I have it for 60 days. I don't know if I will continue or not, but I will check it out more, that's for sure. Thank you for watching. See you.